Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stocking Stuff. I am here just to share some Valentine projects that I worked on. So you've seen me make this big box before. It's the kind of box that little people take to their classroom to exchange their Valentines. I don't have a lot of little people in my life, so very rarely do I get to make this box, but I just love the box. So I use this foiled cardstock from Joann's. I'm sure it's a Basil heavyweight. It's not super heavy, but I would give it at least a 80 pounds. And I use the pink as well. And then on the back, I use this Doodlebug flocked. I didn't have any more of my flocked heart paper that I love, so I bought this pack and decided I'd use the pink. So this is for my little niece that is 7. I think she might be a first grader, second grader. And I sent her mom a picture of the box and asked her if it would be something she could use or like, and she said, oh my gosh, yes, they do collect Valentines and she would love it. So I used my little heart brads that I have to do the attachments. I cut this twice and I used the glitter heart there. So I have them both. And then this background here is not the same. It is I think it came out of a Recollections embossed pad that I've had for quite a while. And I did the letters in glitter, as you can see. And then I added her name with my pink and red foiled stickers. So I thought it came out really cute. I'm always trying to figure out what can I do right here for this lock portion, because it doesn't come with a lock, not that it needs to, but I just feel like I should have something there. So and then I added jimmies at the top. And then the second box is I use Ebony from Sharon Moore. She gave a great tutorial last week, and so I used that to make this box. And it really does lay flat, but I have so much stuff, so many goodies stuffed in here. That candy and gingerbread and chapstick and socks, and so it held quite a bit. And my whole purpose of this, let me open it up so you can see. So 2 things. This niece is an 8th grader and she loves to read. And this image was I think it was a freebie on Creative Fabrica. I get the freebie of the day, and it was called All Booked Up for Valentine. So it caught my eye, and the red is kind of a deep red. So I went into another one of my reds. I think it's called Reds. It's a Recollections stack that I've had in my stash, and I wanted to try to pull those colors together. In addition, I had this piece of paper. I had one 8.5 by 11. And it was a piece of scrapbook paper from a scrapbook magazine that, I don't know, I had a long time ago, but I had it in a stash because it's a scrapbook paperweight, and I only scrapbook in 12 by 12, and I just hadn't used it. And I was going through all my papers to kind of say, do I really need to buy Valentine paper? What can I do? And I fell in love with this page, and I should have incorporated the butterflies, but I chose not to because I wanted to do my cup. So I just print and cut, flattened it on a circle and cut on my Cricut, and I did it in hearts, and in circles of different sizes so they would fit on the box. And so I was able pretty much to get this all done with my belly band and all around the box. For the most part, I kept the flap solid and the bottom of the box solid here, but I did do the side because it is the side of the box, and so I did both sides. So that I want to say thank you to Sharon Moore. I love this box. When I saw it, I wish I had more paper to put on the outside that matched, but I think it came out really cute. And I hope that she loves it as much as I do. And then again, I just used up all that I had printed cut. And then this was a piece that I had in my Valentine bag that apparently I cut last year. I have that die. and I just never used it. So I just decided to make the outside hearts, and then I put her name. And this was also in my stash that I had made and had not used. So I don't know if I was in frame on any of that, but there you go. So that's the back and the front. And then I found these really pretty like foamy glittery stickers, letter stickers at Joann's, and I got them for like $2, and it's like a lot of letters in there. I really love it. So I decided to use that and pull out the black in the paper. So again, these are sisters, and I hope they will love their Valentine goodies. Thanks for watching. Hope you're making some fun stuff. Have a great day.